Good morning, student of class 4th. How are you? I hope you all are fit and healthy. So welcome back to your EVS class, student. Today date is 15 July 2021 and I am teaching you chapter number 5, Food We Eat. Now see student, let's do little recapitulation what we have done in the previous video. So in the previous video student, I explained you vitamins and minerals. So these are also known as micronutrients because they are required by our body in a less amount. For example, when I am explaining you about carbohydrate, fat and vitamins, so they are macronutrients. Our body required them in a large quantity, but vitamins and minerals, they are required by our body in less quantity. Okay, so what are vitamins and minerals? They are known as protective food, student, because they help us to protect us from the diseases. They fight against the diseases. Okay, so and after that I discuss with you about the different types of a vitamins. Also I discuss with you, that is vitamin A, D, E and K. These are fat soluble vitamins. So these are stored in the fat. If our body require this vitamin, so from it can use it from the store fat, because these are vitamin A, D, E and K. They all are fat soluble vitamins. And vitamin B and C, they are water soluble. So they are not stored in our body. Okay, so because water, due to sweat we lost water, and the water is out from the body in the form of a urine also. So that is the reason we required this vitamin in our diet. Okay, because if by chance you are not eating food in which you have vitamin A, D, E and K are not present, but if the body want, they can be used from the store fat. But vitamin B and C, they are water soluble vitamins and they do not store in the body. Okay, after and minerals, the most important mineral that is very essential for our body, that is the calcium. Okay, that is the calcium. It makes your bones strong and teeth. It makes your bones strong and teeth. And another mineral which is also essential for the body, that is the iron. Iron is also a mineral needed by our body, because what is the reason? It help in making blood, and it is present in the leafy vegetables. So in shortcut I discuss about vitamins and minerals. And what are the sources of this? The sources of vitamins and minerals are green vegetables, milk. Okay, milk, fruit and vegetables. Milk, fruit and vegetable, these are the sources of vitamins and minerals. Okay, so if you want to watch in a detail what, why vitamin A is required by our body, why D, why E, K, all things I have explained in very detail in the previous video. Here I am just doing recapitulation so that you must understand that which topic we have covered in the previous video. Now student, today video we will talk about the water and the roughage. So first of all student, try to understand water and roughage. both of them are not a nutrients, because when we are talking about the nutrients, then there is it is divided into five main groups, that is carbohydrate, fat, protein, vitamins and minerals. And when we talk about water and roughage, so they are not the nutrients. Okay, they are not the nutrient, but they are very essential फॉर आवर बॉडी, मतलब हमारी बॉडी के लिए बहुत ही जरूरी है आपका वाटर और रफेज. इवन दे आर नॉट ए न्यूट्रेंट्स, ये न्यूट्रेंट्स नहीं है, ठीक है, फिर भी ये हमारी बॉडी के लिए बहुत इंसेंशनल है, बहुत जरूरी है, या वाटर एंड रफेज. नाउ वन बाय वन आई विल डिस्कस विद यू water and roughage. So our body need water and roughage. So water helps to remove our waste in the form of a urine. It also maintain the temperature of the body. Water also help in the digestion of a food. Is it clear? So there are many things which are due to water. So see student, while drinking water, what's happened student, drinking water helps maintain the balance of a body fluids. ठीक है, drinking water help to maintain the balance of a body fluids. Okay, our body more than 70% is composed of a water. So what are the things in which the water helps? Water help in digestion, absorption, circulation, okay, and creation of a saliva, transportation of a nutrients, and it also maintain our body temperature. So that is the reason water is a very important. That is the reason water is a very important. Water help in digestion, absorption, circulation and creation of a saliva, transportation of nutrients, and it also maintain our body temperature. देखो अभी मैंने बोला कि वाटर हेल्प इन द एब्जॉर्प्शन भी बोला एंड वाटर हेल्प इन द ट्रांसपोर्टेशन ऑफ न्यूट्रिएंट्स भी बोला. तो डोंट कंफ्यूज स्टूडेंट, बिकॉज आपने इससे सेकंड चैप्टर में पढ़ा है in digestion all the nutrients which we get from the food that are absorbed in the blood and through the heart it pumps to all parts of the body. ठीक है, यहाँ पे बच्चे कंफ्यूज हो जाते हैं, वो सोचते हैं कि सर ने तो बताया था कि ब्लड में वाटर जाता है, अरे सॉरी, न्यूट्रिएंट्स ब्लड में मिक्सअप हो जाते हैं एंड ड्यू टू आवर इंटरनल ऑर्गन हार्ट they are circulate to all parts of the body, and in this manner all parts of the body get energy to perform different activities in day to day life. But now sir is saying water absorb nutrients and water circulate nutrients in the whole body. So student, why I use this word, reason is that if you see the blood, more than 70% part of the blood is a water. ठीक है, so क्योंकि blood is in which form student, blood is in the form of a liquid. okay, blood is in the form of a liquid और blood में 70% blood में क्या है बेटा, water ही है, इसलिए मैंने बोला. ठीक है, is it clear? सो ब्लड तो आपको रेड दिखता है और वाटर आपको ट्रांसपेरेंट आप देखते हो, इसलिए आप कंफ्यूज हो रहे हो, लेकिन ब्लड में 70% क्या है बेटा, वाटर ही होता है. ठीक है, दैट इज द रीजन आई से इट हेल्प्स इन द डाइजेशन, ऑब्जर्वेशन, इसीलिए मैंने ऑब्जर्वेशन बोला, सर्कुलेशन बोला, क्रिएशन ऑफ ए सलाइबा, क्रिएशन ऑफ ए सलाइबा. आप देखते हो कि when you eat the food then you break that food into smaller pieces with the help of with your different types of teeth. Okay, we have four set of teeth, that is incisor, canines, premolar and molars. So and the tongue help to mix food with the saliva, and in our mouth beta there are salivary glands. ओके हमारे माउथ में क्या है बेटा, सैलिवरी ग्लैंड्स है एंड दे सिक्रेट सलाइवा. ओके, सो क्रिएशन ऑफ सलाइवा भी कहां से हो रहा है बेटा, वाटर से ही हो रहा है, क्योंकि सलाइवा मिक्स द विद द फूड एंड फूड बिकम सॉफ्ट सो दैट वी कैन इजिली सॉलो इट थ्रू आवर फूड पाइप. ठीक है, वी सॉलो इट एंड देन इट मूव्स फ्रॉम द फूड पाइप टू आवर स्टमक. ठीक है, इसलिए मैंने बोला क्रिएशन ऑफ ए सलाइवा. अब there should be, I think now it is no confusion that transportation of a nutrient, why I use this word for water, because more than 70% of the blood is a water. So and it is which form, it is in the form of a liquid, and it is which form, it is in the form of a liquid. So transportation of जो nutrients भी हो रहा है body में, that is also through the water, and it also maintain the body temperature. Okay, it also maintain the body temperature. It also remove the toxins, ठीक है, from our body. जो हार्मफुल सब्सटेंसेस होती हैं, आपको पता है ब्लड को भी फिल्टर कौन करता है, हमारा इंटरनल ऑर्गन, दैट इज किडनी. सो blood is filtered by the kidney and we have two pair of kidney in our body. Okay, and blood is filtered by the kidney. So and after that the waste is collected in the form of a urine and which is out from our body. Okay, so you must drink enough water for a good function of your kidney. ठीक है, आप ज्यादा से ज्यादा वाटर पियोगे, देखो 6 to 8 ग्लासेस ऑफ वाटर बोलता है डेली यू हैव टू ड्रिंक. इफ यू आर ड्रिंकिंग मोर देन दिस देन इट इज आल्सो वेरी गुड फॉर योर हेल्थ. सो स्टूडेंट प्लीज ड्रिंक इनफ वाटर so that the function of your kidney is good, because kidney filter the blood and remove the waste in the form of a urine. Okay, and now what's the problem arises if you do not drink enough water? So the food nutrients will not go to other part of the body. अगर आप enough, क्योंकि ब्लड इज इन द फॉर्म ऑफ ए लिक्विड और ब्लड में 70% पोर्शन किसका है, पार्ट वाटर का ही है. इफ यू आर नॉट ड्रिंकिंग इनफ वाटर देन दीज न्यूट्रिएंट्स विल नॉट रीच टू ऑल पार्ट्स ऑफ योर बॉडी. ओके, our and another important thing is that our body is formed of a cell and these cell contain lot of water. ठीक है, our body is also formed of a cell, क्योंकि सबसे small part of the body क्या है बेटा, वो cell है. The smallest part of the body is a cell, is the structure functional unit of life. So lot of water is also in present in our cell. Okay, so you note down some of the important points, because in the book in very shortcut explanation of water is given. Just it is written, it removes the wastage from the body in the form of a urine, it help in digestion, only 2 points are given. So some extra points are here, you note down in the rough copy of EVS, so that you when you revise the topic then you with the help of these important points you are able to understand the topic. Water, so drinking water, drinking drinking water drinking water helps maintain the drinking water helps maintain the balance of body fluids. ठीक है. Second important point, water helps in digestion. Water helps in digestion, absorption, circulation, creation of saliva, and saliva is present in the salivary glands. Transportation of nutrients and it also maintain body temperature. Next important point is it removes toxins from our body. The more water you drink, the better your kidneys work, because as you know that kidney filter the blood and remove the waste in the form of a urine. Our body is formed of cell. Our body is formed of cell. They they contain lot of water. That is the reason water is a very essential for our body. Okay, so one by one I revise it what I explained you. Drinking water help maintenance the balance of body fluids. Okay, water help in digestion. It help in digestion of the food, absorption, circulation, creation of saliva, and transportation of nutrient, and it also maintain body temperature. Is it clear? So water help in the digestion. ठीक है, डाइजेशन ऑफ फूड में भी हेल्प करता है, ऑब्जॉर्प्शन करता है. ठीक है, क्योंकि न्यूट्रिएंट्स जो है कि वो ऑब्जर्व हो रहे हैं, वो ब्लड में तो जाते हैं, लेकिन ब्लड में भी 70% ब्लड का पार्ट क्या है बेटा, वो वाटर ही है. बिकॉज ब्लड इज इन द फॉर्म ऑफ ए लिक्विड and that is the reason it pump to all parts of the body through artery. Okay, so circulation of saliva, transportation of nutrients, and it also maintain body temperature. Next is it remove toxin from our body. So what are the harmful substances which are not needed by our body? ठीक है, so that things are removed from the blood. And as we know that our body has a internal organ to filter the blood, that is known as kidney, and it eliminated or it remove the waste in the form of a urine. It remove the waste in the form of a urine. Okay, so that is the reason. And another important point, that is the reason we must drink enough water so that the function of our kidney is good or better, anything you can say. We must drink enough water so that the function of our kidney is better. Okay, and as we know that our body is made of cells and there is lot of water in these cells also. So you can take a screenshot. So this is all about the water. Now the next thing we will discuss, that is roughage. नेक्स्ट पॉइंट क्या है, अच्छा roughage है ना. Okay, now after water we will discuss about roughage. Okay, now students see, both water and roughage, they are not nutrients, but they play a very important role, both of them. Okay, now see, roughage help us to clean our stomach regularly. ठीक है, so the waste from your body is thrown out of the body in the form of the feces. जो आपके बॉडी सारे न्यूट्रिएंट्स को फूड में से क्या कर लेती है, ऑब्जॉर्व कर लेती है. एंड द फूड विच इज ऑफ द वेस्ट, अब जो विच इज ऑफ नो यूज, दैट वी थ्रो आउट फ्रॉम द बॉडी इन द फॉर्म ऑफ ए फेसेस. आप पॉटी डेली जाते हो, ठीक है, तो जो हमारी वेस्ट होती है जिसका अब बॉडी को कोई यूज नहीं होता है, तो सेट दैट इन द फॉर्म ऑफ ए फेसेस, दैट इज आउट फ्रॉम द बॉडी. सो नाउ roughage play a very important role. Roughage helps to clear our stomach regularly. So now, what is the roughage? Roughage is the fiber present in vegetable and fruits. Okay, roughage is a fiber which is present in vegetable and fruits. So see, in the book it is given in very shortcut. So some important points about the roughage also I wrote on the board so that you are able to understand it. सो रफेज क्या है बेटा? आपने देखा होगा रफेज फ्रूट्स और वेजिटेबल में बहुत होता है, रेशे होते हैं, सब्जियों में रेशे होते हैं, फलों में बहुत रेशे होते हैं। ये प्लांट का ऐसा पार्ट होता है जिसको हमारी बॉडी क्या है, डाइजेस्ट नहीं कर पाती है। ठीक है, इट इज सच पार्ट ऑफ द प्लांट विच इज नॉट डाइजेस्टेड बाय आवर बॉडी। तो ये क्या है, इनडाइजेस्टेड पोर्शन ऑफ द प्लांट का वो पार्ट है जिसको हमारी बॉडी डाइजेस्ट नहीं कर पाती, बट इवन देन it is very helpful for us. Okay, it help the body to get rid of undigested food. जो वो वेस्ट फूड होता है जिसकी अब हमारी बॉडी को कोई जरूरत नहीं होती है, उस फूड को बॉडी से आउट करने में ये हमारी बहुत क्या करता है, हेल्प करता है। ठीक है, सो अनडाइजेस्टेड फूड कम आउट ऑफ द बॉडी इन द फॉर्म ऑफ ए स्टूल। ठीक है, इन द फॉर्म ऑफ ए स्टूल। और इसकी इसकी डिसएडवांटेज क्या है कि इसकी भी कोई न्यूट्रेंट वैल्यू नहीं है। ठीक है, इससे हमें कोई मतलब एनर्जी नहीं मिल रही है, बट इट इज वेरी हेल्पफुल फॉर अस। ठीक है, तो एक बार फिर बता देता हूँ जिससे तुम्हें बिल्कुल क्लियर हो जाएगा। रफेज क्या होता है बेटा, फ्रूट्स और वेजिटेबल्स में मिलता है। ठीक है, सो ये प्लांट्स का ऐसा पार्ट है जिसको हमारी बॉडी डाइजेस्ट नहीं कर पाती है। ये फाइबर क्या होते हैं, रेशे होते हैं। आपने कभी नहीं देखा होगा, ऑब्जर्व नहीं किया होगा, तो अब मम्मी लोग किचन में सब्जी काटें तो आप देखिएगा, स्पेशल लेडी फिंगर जो भिंडी है उसमें आप काटोगे तो देखो वो आपस में पीसेस स्टिक हो जाते हैं, चिपक जाते हैं, वो रेशे होते हैं, यही होते हैं रेशे। ये फ्रूट्स में भी बहुत ज़्यादा होते हैं। ठीक है, तो ये रेशे बहुत हेल्पफुल करते हैं। हमारा जो वेस्ट होता है ना डेली, हमारी जो आफ्टर ईटिंग द फूड द न्यूट्रेंट आर अब्सॉर्ब्ड इन द ब्लड एंड द वेस्ट इज आउट फ्रॉम द बॉडी। तो ये वेस्ट स्मूथली बॉडी से कैसे आउट हो जाती है, इन फाइबर्स की वजह से। ठीक है, इन फाइबर्स की वजह से ये वेस्ट बड़ी इजिली हमारे बॉडी से बाहर हो जाती है इन द फॉर्म ऑफ ए फेसेस। इज इट क्लियर? सो दैट इज द रीजन it play a very important role to for cleaning. So it play a very important role, तुम्हारे बुक में दिया ही है स्टार्टिंग में। so with the help to clear our stomach regularly. so you can note down about roughage also. it is the indigestive, it is the indigestive portion of food. It means this is not absorbed by our body. Our body can't digest it. It is the indigestive portion of food. Of food derived, and we get it from the plant. Derived from plants. Even it is not digested by our body, even it is not digested by our body, but it is very helpful for but body, but it is very helpful for us. ठीक है, us, it help, it helps, it it helps, it helps our body to get to get undigested food undigested food out from the body. Is it clear? And what is the disadvantage? Disadvantage disadvantage is that it does not provide any specific nutrients. ठीक है, so roughage, what is roughage? Roughage is the indigestive portion of food derived from plants. Plants का ऐसा पार्ट है जिसको हमारी बॉडी डाइजेस्ट नहीं कर पाती. So even it is not digested by our body, but it is very helpful for us. How it help us? It help us our body to get undigested food out from the body. ये फाइबर्स जो होते हैं ना बेटा, वेजिटेबल और फ्रूट्स, इन फाइबर्स की वजह से, ये जो रेशे होते हैं इनकी वजह से जो वेस्ट फूड मटेरियल होता है वो बड़ी स्मूथली हमारी बॉडी से क्या हो जाता है, आउट हो जाता है इन द फॉर्म ऑफ ए फेसेस. ओके, थैंक यू स्टूडेंट.